So, hello viewers, you are here to watch how to apply for a voter ID card without any rejection. With a single attempt, you can clear the form and you will receive your voter ID card. With the only help of Aadhar card, you can easily apply for it. So, come upon any internet browser and search from 6 voter ID. Then here will one website pop up, home page Election Commission of India. Just open it. This type of interface will be appear. Firstly, you have to log in, you make an ID, log in with it, then you will have to apply for the form. Okay, just click on it. This interface form here on your desktop, fill it all the required data, your details. Here you have to upload a photograph. Just if you don't have any photo, just click on a mobile phone and go to the any of the website, remove the background and make the size of 2 MB. Okay, type vote passport size photograph, then enter the size 4.5 centimeter into 3.5 centimeter. Automatically the size of your image will be reduced, and download this file and submit it here. Then you have to put the mobile numbers and here Aadhar card details, date of birth. In date of birth, you will have to submit the any age proof. So here is also option of just like matric certification, intermediate, birth certificate. Many options here will given to you, but you will have to choose only Aadhar card because it will get easily verified by them. So enter your address, then address proof. Here also many options will be given. Aadhar card option is also given. So choose Aadhar card only. Like most of the time, if you choose any of other option, it will take more time to get verified. So Aadhaar card is a recent type of documentary which is automatically जब आप उसको बनवाते हो तो वो पहले से वेरीफाई होके बनता है, तो वो जल्दी वेरीफाई हो जाता है, इसीलिए उसी को चूज करना. फिर any disability, then fill this part. If you have any of the family members exist or at the same location, same address, then you will fill it here. If you don't have any of the family member with a recent address, don't fill. Just keep it in mind and form the declaration form and fill the captcha, then submit it. You will get a just get the form, the how you physically apply the form. You will then get a form of like this, then check it and submit. When you submit, this type of reference number is generated. Just save it, copy it and save it. It is very important. You will track your voter ID card from this reference ID and you will download your voter ID from this reference ID. uh, okay, it is very important. Download the acknowledgement also. Here is the example. Okay, it is already downloaded in my desktop. You just save it, then your voter card will be ID will be successfully applied. Just after 15 to 20 days, just check your application status. It will be applied and successfully verified. Okay, thank you guys for watching. See you, bye.